So down here in the basement, we bought this house about a year ago. We have some work that we're starting in the basement. We have contractors coming in soon to work on part of the basement that is letting in water. So over there on the other side of the washer and dryer in that area, it starts leaking a little bit and it comes in, and you can see all the way here and all the way around it, and it stops right about there. So we're gonna have somebody come in, put in some new drainage, and right now we are working on tearing up the walls. We're gonna add another bathroom, some bedrooms, a family room, and work on the laundry room. Right now it has one egress window in it. We're gonna put a couple more in there. But this right here is gonna be my future laundry room. It's been a while since I've been on camera. This right here was originally a bedroom, and there's the egress. They lowered the ceilings and put in like a drop ceiling, or just lowered. It's pretty low, too low for us. The cabinets here are gonna go, and I think we're looking at painting the ceilings, a new sump pump, and it's going to be, it's gonna have a backup. So if the power goes out, we have a battery backup. All of the studs, we're gonna try to save those so that we can reuse them, because lumber is really expensive right now. Behind there, where the sump pump is, where that wall starts, there's no flooding there. There's no water coming in there. The drainage is really good from the egress window, so we're good with that. We're not pulling that down yet. The wire comes in through there and then goes all the way through. Before we bought the house, there was some damage. The water had come in, and so the drywall was a couple inches up off the ground. What we're gonna do is we're gonna cut the power, put a cap on the electrical, and then we're gonna pull all of the wires, take the lumber so that we can rebuild. We're gonna start with the bathroom. We only have one bathroom in the house, and it gets really busy really quick. We have some windows here where at some point they put a second foundation in. It's not structural, so at some point we're gonna get in and chisel the concrete away from the windows to let some more light in. Some of the windows are block and have the little screen doohickey there, very small, and that'll stay until we get to the point where we need to have more egress windows. For now, we're just gonna start with tearing down the walls and getting the studs off.